Billyjack on location at the old Kuikuni Hospital in the back of this place. Notice the grade, it's always the same. The slope of the land's always the same. Very interesting old house. Looks like this was recently moved in here. I don't know how they would have got it back here. Here we can see some more of the buildings, fairly recent additions, possibly. Here's where things start getting interesting. It's right here. It goes way down there. Yep, it's interesting. Would appear to be window inserts right there. Same as we get to right here. Done an excellent job of covering up the windows in front of here below ground. You know they're there. What I like about this the most is the unusual onion dome on top of the building here. Seems to be in quite poor condition, even almost collapsing on the upper part of it. Its true purpose, some type of Antiqutec resonating harvesting. You can tell there's so much missing from this building right here. You got kind of a half dome up there that's concealed, and a big concealed area right here. Absolutely stunning old world complex. I believe this is possibly one of the few remaining domes in, I would say, Hawaii. There's maybe one or two others. I'll have to look at this and look it up. Billyjack, over and out.